Harbor Freight, if you're watching, this needs some flat spots on it. These one-aught terminals are a little too wide in one spot to fit on the factory terminals. Three sizes bigger on the wire. Taking a little bit of copper out ain't gonna hurt anything. I just realized that. That's an M6 stud. This is M5, which I just went and got nuts for, because I didn't have any M5s. The only M6 nuts I have are lock nuts. With the winch in there, I don't see how I'm getting the grill back on. I don't mind modifying stuff for the most part. It's just there's some stuff I'd rather not modify. I'm thinking what I can do is, if I take the contactor off the top of the winch, put the grill on, put the contactor back on. I could always relocate the contactor for now as well. Just future plans for the winch require the contactor to be mounted to the winch. This is not hardware you want to drop like I just did, because it's stainless. And the variety that is not magnetic at all. Deep socket. So these three black wires, are extension cables. But exactly where are we extending this to? I don't see this helping me too much. So to mount the winch, you have to insert these square nuts into slots in the bottom of the winch, and then line the bolts up and whatnot. These are always fun. Lots of fun. Because they just fall out on it. and they go from the middle out. Well, I didn't hear him fall out. There's one. Good. There's nuts on the back side. I figured they nut started it like, or rivet nutted it like everything else. So as you can see, I set up a laser to keep my lights, lasered. I'm going to put in this corner centered on that screw. Start with an 1/8 inch bit. And I know this bit's not long enough to hit the winch. So now, 5/16 drill bit. So the way I found to hold these, to put them back in, put the magnet like that. Put all the screws in.